Soro town in Odisha's Baleswar district transformed into a vibrant hub of devotion and celebration as Ram Navami was observed with great enthusiasm on Friday. The air echoed with chants of Jai Shri Ram, creating a deeply spiritual atmosphere across the town. Devotees came together with immense dedication, putting in elaborate efforts to make the festival grand and divine. Colorful and intricately designed midhas or tableaux added a spectacular visual charm to the celebrations. The grand procession became the highlight of the festivities as participants danced joyfully to the beats of traditional musical instruments, filling the streets with energy and cultural pride. As many as 19 medhas joined the procession, reflecting unity, community spirit, and collective participation. The celebrations in Soro beautifully showcased the region's rich cultural heritage and unwavering religious devotion, making this Ram Navami truly memorable.
ना दीर्घ 15 दिन धरी आमर श्रीराम नवमी कार्यक्रम सोर सहर में पालित हो सोर तथा आखपाख अंचल सबू राम भक्त सनातनी माने बहु उत्साह आग्रह सहकारे आसिक जोग दौरान आज तो प्राय 15-20 हजार लोकर समागम अच्छी 15,000 लोकर प्रसाद व्यवस्था अच्छी 19 मेढ़ जाऊँगी भर राम जगन्नाथ रामशीला बहुत कथा अच्छी माँ भौणी समस्ते आदिवासी नृत्य ओडिसी नृत्य भारतीय संस्कृति भारतीय परंपरा रे आम कार्यक्रम कर सब सनातनी भितर राम बहुत उत्साह अच्छी प्रेरणा आ सारा भारत वर्ष को प्रकार उत्साह सहकारे रामनवमी पालन होती सोर सहर आज उत्सव मुखर होती।